Hello everybody, it is Greg with DC Real Estate Marketplace, and today it is mid-September 2011. We're going to look at properties for sale in Potomac, hoping to get some information for Avenel. I got some requests from some luxury homeowners in Avenel, Maryland, which is part of Potomac. So we're going to go over just a little bit of data, see if we can't help out a little bit. And it's probably not going to be great news, not what everyone wants to see, at least if you're a home seller. 2 years ago, these are going to be 2-year graphs. On the far left, the black line is the weekly data points that we collect, and the gold line is a rolling trend line. So looking at 2 years ago, let's look at the weekly data points. We are at about $1.5 million for a median asking price. Remember, these are homes for sale. So that's a median asking price for homes in Potomac at $1.5 million. Spiked a little bit there, and then really since then, if you throw out a couple weeks, it's been dropping. So over the past 2 years, we've lost about $200,000 in value, and that's true if you look at either the weekly data points or the trend line. It's going to be pretty close to $200,000 in value for homeowners. Going to the next one, we're going to look at average days on market. This is a little bit deceptive, but if you look at the beginning point and end point, you're going to see that we are about the same place where we were. It looks like we are way up there at the end of, well, I guess the beginning of this year. We were almost 200 days or 210 days for the weekly data points. We're back down to where we were in, well, I guess this is a 1-year graph. So last year, 140 days. But again, it would be nice if we were lower. And then you can also see the gold line is trending up. So I would expect this to keep going up as we go into the winter months. And I think the coming winter will look a lot like last winter with much higher days on market. Inventory, again, it's a 2-year graph. 2 years ago, we were at about 240 homes, 235 homes on the market, and that dropped way off. And it looks like people took their homes off the market as they headed into winter, let themselves enjoy the holidays, and then it started climbing again. And now it got really high late summer this year, 280 homes, 285 homes, and it's dropping down. So again, I think as we head into winter time, we'll see people dropping those homes off the marketplace. But either way you look at it, we haven't really lost over 2 years much inventory at all. So we have as many home sellers today as we did 2 years ago and dropping prices. So that's really not a good equation for an improving real estate market. Having said that, it does look like enough things have changed that we might be a little bit better off than we were 2 years ago, which just really isn't saying much. This is the median action index. I'm sorry, median market action index. It's a composite statistic that is compiled by Altos Research. They're in California, and they track all the major metro markets. So this is for Potomac, and basically how you read this graph is that the lower the number, the more you are into a buyer's market. The higher number, the more you are into a seller's market, with a 30 being a neutral, balanced market. It's much easier to look at the gold line here. There's so much data being included that it really spikes up and down. So if you look at the gold line, we'll see that 2 years ago we were around 16, which is obviously very, very strongly in a buyer's market. With all these ups and downs, it looks like maybe we're to 17 now. So we've gone up 1 point. So we are a little bit better off. Having said that, not much. We are still very, very, very much in the grips of a buyer's market in Potomac. So that's a quick wrap up of Potomac and an extension Avenel homes. If you have any questions, please visit our website right here at DC Real Estate Marketplace. You can drop us a line, give us a call, and we will be happy to help out however we can. Thank you. Bye-bye.